Did you know that incorporating just a few key exercises can dramatically accelerate your fat loss journey? Let's explore how to make it happen. Welcome, everyone. If you're like most millennials and Gen Z individuals, you're juggling busy lives. Balancing work, social life, and personal goals can make it challenging to prioritize health and fitness. With countless diets and exercise regimens out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by what actually works for fat loss. But here's the truth. The key to effective fat loss lies in the exercises you choose and how you structure your workouts. Today, we're diving into the world of compound exercises and how the 24-50 principle can guide your training for optimal results. Whether you want to shed those stubborn pounds or simply maintain your physique, let's break it down together. First off, let's address the common misconceptions about fat loss. Many believe they need to spend hours on cardio machines or strictly follow a fad diet. While those methods can yield results, they often lead to frustration and burnout. The good news is, you don't have to sacrifice your social life or hours of your day to achieve your fat loss goals. It's all about smart training and effective strategies. One of the most effective ways to burn fat while preserving muscle is through compound exercises. But before we dive deeper, what are compound exercises and why are they so beneficial for fat loss? Compound exercises involve multiple muscle groups and joints. Think squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. They're not just about lifting heavy weights, they also create a metabolic demand that burns calories even after you've left the gym. So, let's break down how to implement these exercises effectively and how the 24-50 principle can enhance your results. Now, let's start with compound exercises. These are movements that work multiple muscle groups at once, like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. They're fantastic for fat loss because they require more energy or calories to perform. In fact, research shows that compound exercises can burn significantly more calories compared to isolation exercises, which only target one muscle group. For instance, when you perform a squat, you're engaging not just your legs, but also your core and stabilizer muscles. This multi-muscle engagement leads to higher energy expenditure, making it easier to create a caloric deficit, the key component of fat loss. Plus, they help maintain muscle mass, which is crucial when you're in a caloric deficit. But it's not just about burning calories during the workout. Compound exercises can also lead to what's known as the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. This means that your body continues to burn calories even after you've finished exercising as it works to restore itself to its resting state. Here's why you should prioritize these types of exercises in your workout routine. They're not only efficient, but they also contribute to your overall strength and functional fitness, helping you in everyday activities from lifting groceries to playing sports. If you're serious about fat loss, compound exercises should be your go-to choice. Now, let's dive into the 24-50 principle. This principle helps you determine the right set and rep schemes based on your goals, whether it's fat loss, hypertrophy, or strength. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help you structure your workouts effectively. For fat loss, you want to focus on a rep range of 24 to 36 with a loading intensity of 70 to 80% of your 1 rep max. This means that when you perform your exercises, you should aim to lift weights that challenge you within this range. This is crucial because lifting too light won't provide enough stimulus to maintain your muscle mass during fat loss, while lifting too heavy can lead to burnout and injury. But how do you apply this in practice? Start with a simple example. Let's say you decide to do squats. If your 1 rep max for squats is 200 pounds, then for fat loss, you would aim to lift between 140 to 160 pounds for 24 to 36 reps spread across several sets. The goal is to find a weight that allows you to complete the reps while still being challenging. A good starting point might be doing 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps at that weight. This aligns perfectly with the 24-50 principle, allowing you to maintain strength while focusing on fat loss. Additionally, it's essential to monitor your progress and adjust your weights accordingly. If you find that you can complete all your sets comfortably, it's time to increase the weight. On the flip side, if you're struggling to complete your sets, it might be necessary to increase the weight to avoid injury and ensure proper form. So, How can you incorporate this knowledge into your routine? Start by selecting a few compound exercises for each workout. Here's a simple workout you can try that aligns with the 24-50 principle. Squats. Start with 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps, using a weight that challenges you but still allows for good form. Deadlifts. Follow up with 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps, focusing on maintaining a strong back and proper technique. Bench press. Lastly, perform 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, ensuring you have a spotter or use safety measures if lifting heavy. Incorporate these exercises into your weekly routine, aiming for at least 3 sessions focused on strength training. Additionally, don't forget about your rest periods. For fat loss, aim to keep your rest intervals between 60 to 90 seconds. Shorter rest periods help keep your heart rate elevated, which can enhance calorie burn during your workouts. But remember, nutrition plays a critical role too. You'll need to maintain a caloric deficit to see significant fat loss. This means that while you're training hard, you also need to be mindful of what you're eating. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Keep in mind that it's all about creating sustainable habits. Start with small changes, like prepping healthy meals in advance or finding a workout buddy to keep you motivated. These strategies not only help in achieving fat loss, but also make the process enjoyable. You want this to be a lifestyle, not just a temporary fix. To wrap it up, combining compound exercises with the 24-50 principle can significantly enhance your fat loss journey. Remember, consistency is key. By focusing on these principles and gradually increasing your weights while monitoring your progress, you'll not only burn fat, but also build a strong, lean physique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on achieving your fitness goals. And remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about creating a healthier, happy you. Let's crush those fat loss goals together. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments below, and let's build a supportive community focused on wellness and positivity. Until next time, stay active and keep striving for your best self.